Apple Journal has been quietly becoming one of the most underrated apps on your iPad. And now with iPad OS 27 in the works, it's just got a significant upgrade from AI powered writing prompts that actually know what you've been writing about to flexible streaks, better sync visibility, and the ability to add more to every entry. Today, I'm walking you through everything that has changed. If you haven't explored Apple Journal yet, here is the quick version. It's Apple's built in journaling app. It's private, it syncs across your devices through iCloud, and it uses the on device intelligence to suggest what to journal about based on your day. Listen, it is free, it's native, and in iPad OS 27, it's becoming even more meaningful. Now, this headline feature had me thinking that Apple Journal just got a little bit better. The Journal app may encourage you to write more about a specific detail you just jot down in a previous entry. This isn't just a generic "How was your day" prompt, it's contextual, which makes it feel more personal and useful for people who want to go deeper in their journaling practice. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch over into journal and we're gonna check out and see what is new. Okay, now I know some people complain that when they're writing with their pencil inside of journal, it deletes or you see that there is a little glitching with the writing. I think what has been helping me to use my pencil effectively in Apple Journal is that you need to take your time when it comes to writing. Now, I'm using the beta version of iPad OS 27. So it's going to be not too stable, but I know in the final version, the fluidity of my pencil is going to be a little more smoother. All right. So this is my entry. And if you notice to the top here, you have a new icon appearing. So here is where you have your suggested prompts with the pencil and the star. Give you recommendation throughout the day. And again, this is synced across your iPhone too. And here is where you have the writing prompts. So it's going to be using Siri AI and Apple Intelligence, and it's going to read through what I would have written, and it's going to ask me what simple moments stood out most this month. And so these are the three prompts based on what I've written. The more you write, the more meaningful prompts and contextual prompts they're going to give. Journal now includes more intuitive journaling streaks with the ability to manually switch your current streak indicator between weekly or daily. Now, this is a small update, but it's also a meaningful change. Not everyone can journal every single day, and weekly streaks give you a more sustainable goal to work towards without feeling like you failed because you missed a day, right? So if I go into my insights on the left hand side here, notice you have a section for streaks. Now, you will already have all the other information when it comes to the places you visited, how many times you've journaled for days, months, and in the year. But the streak section has been updated. So with the automatic switching, it could be daily or weekly, or you can say you do your journal weekly or you do your journal daily. So you can choose weekly, all right? And then you have your notifications. You can get notified based on your routine, your location, when and what time you can write. So you can tap on manage schedule. This is such a great feature because again, not everybody journals every day. So if you're saying, well, okay, to start out, I just want to journal on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursday at a specific time for my evening pages, let's say 9 p.m., you will get that notification coming in or prompt coming in that it's time to journal. Apple is adding a visual iCloud sync status for every journal entry, making it easy for you to see when entries are updating. It briefly appears in the app, and it shows on the left hand side where it shows the number of entries within a journal. This one is for people who've opened their journal on their Mac or on their iPhone and you want to see your latest entry. This is going to be helpful for you, and you're actually seeing your sync in real time. Apple is expanding the number of attachments each entry can include in iPadOS 27, which has been a pain point for users previously. If you've ever tried to document a full day with multiple photos, voice memo, a link, and you can hit that particular ceiling. They have addressed that obstacle, and so now you have richer entries with fewer limitations. All right. So one of the things that used to get to me is that you could have only done one voice memo per entry. So now it does give you the option to add multiple voice memos inside of the entry. This is so great if you want to be journaling and documenting your day, or creating that type of junk journaling, or an everyday journal where you put all your thoughts and ideas into it. This has been a great update and feature, and they have listened to users. And then I can go back in, I can add another entry. Before, you were only able to add one voice recording. iPadOS 27 adds timestamps for journal entries, referring to the exact time of day when an entry was created. Apple is making everything feel more fluid, and entries now feel more like a real record of your day and not just a notes dump. For anyone who journals multiple times a day, this level of detail adds real context when you look back. All right, so if I scroll down here, and you will notice that in this area here, it's going to tell me the day, the date, and at the time of which I created that entry. So all of your journal entries will now have that. So you know exactly what date and time your entry, you would have made a specific journal entry. That's everything new in Apple Journal with iPad OS 27 Beta 2. The writing prompts alone make this worth revisiting if you've drifted away from it, and the combination of better streaks, sync visibility, and the ability to add more attachments to your entries make the daily habit much more easier to maintain. If you want to see how I use Apple Journal as part of my end of day Apple workflow, you can check out this video right here. Let me know in the comments below. Are you a daily journaler, or is this update going to finally get you to start journaling? As always, your tech should be working for you and not against you. I'll see you in the next one.